Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? So this is an emergency video for all Dogecoin holder, my brother, because he is doing very big mistake. So I explain you, my friends, to don't do this mistake, otherwise you are completely and the loss in Dogecoin is completely fails down. So therefore, my friend, if you can see here in the last 1 hour chart, absolutely, my friend, negative starting, negative now. So I explain everything in this video, my friend, but please subscribe ABSTech channel if you are new on this channel. Click the red button and press the bell icon for videos notification. This channel update you every time, my friend. Thank you so much for subscribing. This time, my friend, you can see here the last 1 hour chart is already open and they completely fails down. So I explained in the second chart to why they fails down. But remember the current price as 0.312 US dollar, my friend. And here is also, my friend, you can see here the change occurred to 310 US dollar, my friend. So the price has increased sometime, you can see here, and this time again they starting moving up. So this is definitely good, my friend. Okay, let's check out the last 7 days chart to what's going on in the previous 7 days, my friend. Absolutely, my friends, a lot of holders tell me to please say that this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So I also tell you, my friend, you can see here in the first week of, oh my goodness, you can see here they completely going up like a rocket. This starting like a snake, my friend, moving like a snake. You can see here after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. But exactly, my friends, they are the direction is in moving up. You can see here they already crossed the resistance line. You can see here they crossed the resistance line of this month, especially, my friend. So if they cross the resistance line, exactly, my friend, the profit is going good. 51.44%, 45% they're going up in the last 7 days. So exactly, my friend, the price is also very highly increased now, and I hope the target is $1 US. I hope they can hit $1 US just and this half month, my friend. So please don't sell it. Why are you selling this month? Please don't sell it. Hold it and wait for the end of this month. Wait for the next month, my friend. I hope they can easily hit $1 US. This is the target of $1 US, and they're completely going up, my friends, to cross the target. So what you say, please tell me in the comment box. This is selling time, holding time, or buying time. I tell you, my friend, to in upcoming days, my prediction is also that, my friends, to upcoming days they take a very high jump. Please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Please like video, subscribe channel.